Russia's highly advanced project. 885M Yasen-class submarines are said to be upgraded with Zircon hypersonic missiles, signifying a massive stride in the country's naval technology and capabilities. In an interview with RIA Novosti, Alexei Rakhmanov, the general director of the United Shipbuilding Corporation, said that the nuclear-powered submarines belonging to the Yasen-type of the 885 project will be equipped with Zircon hypersonic missiles, with efforts already in progress. The Yasen-class nuclear submarines are armed with Kalibr and Oniks cruise missiles, alongside Fizik-type torpedoes, by decision of the Ministry of Defense. Russia's multipurpose nuclear submarines of the Yasen-M project will also be regularly armed with the Zircon missile system. Work in this direction is already underway. The first Russian vessel outfitted with Zircon missiles was the frigate admiral of the fleet of the Soviet Union Gorshkov, a part of Project 22350. The integration of this hypersonic missile system onto successive frigates will be carried out in accordance with the plan of the Russian Defense Ministry during both their manufacturing and operational phases. The nuclear-powered submarines of the Yasen-M project represent an enhanced variant of the 885 project, armed with Kalibr and Oniks cruise missiles. These submarines, referred to as ASH, are a testament to advanced naval technology. Presently, the Russian Navy boasts one vessel from the 885 projects and two from the 885M series, while the construction progress of an additional 6 upgraded ASH submarines is at various stages. The Yasen-class submarines, also known by their NATO reporting designation as the Submarines-class, were crafted to engage carrier battle groups and possess the capability to neutralize adversary, ballistic missile submarines, attack submarines, and various types of ships. Beyond this, the Yasen-M variant can strike coastal targets, like naval installations and ports, showcasing its versatile and formidable prowess. Meanwhile, the general director of the United Shipbuilding Corporation didn't disclose a precise timeframe for achieving this goal. However, a prior report suggests that the first project, Yasen-M submarine, armed with Zircon hypersonic missiles, could potentially become operational within the Russian Navy by 2026. With such hypersonic missile firing capabilities, Russian submarines would pose a substantial challenge to the U.S. Navy. The Yasen-class submarines' capacity to effectively target land-based targets is a matter of significant apprehension for Western military analysts and officials, underscoring the potential impact of these advancements on the strategic balance between major naval powers. Thanks for watching.